My name's Max Childs and we're in Great Barrington, Massachusetts. I started in HVAC about 6 years ago now. I used to manage restaurants, and my wife's family actually owns a local oil company, and I started out working for them. Moved up, the on-call kind of stuff wasn't really for me. So I worked for a smaller mechanical company in Holyoke, Massachusetts, and then moved on to Northeast Solar out of Hatfield. Inaba Denko has this massive catalog that no other manufacturer of line hide or Slimduct offers, not even close. And the quality and the different solutions it's just not comparable. On this job site, I chose SD77 in black. I thought that it was going to pop more and really just accentuate the install rather than hide it. In a house like this, it's a custom home. You're not going to really be able to hide the actual install, especially if you were to choose white or ivory or brown or anything like that. So at that point, you might as well embrace it and just accentuate it, make sure you have clean lines running tastefully everywhere. Electric baseboard is what's heating this house currently, and the electric bill was astronomical, so the homeowner decided to go a little bit more efficient and go for heat pumps. I have personally never had anyone complain about the Slimduct SD on the side of the house. Other brands, I have had people definitely complain to me about different things that they've seen and changes we could make, but with the Slimduct, I haven't had a single complaint. I would always recommend Slimduct or Inaba Denko to every contractor and every company. I've actually gone as far as getting my main distributor to be in talks with Inaba Denko to carry it regularly, and so more people can get a hold of it and use it. I recommend it to everyone. I think you're doing better by the customer by installing this as opposed to other brands.